My name's Sophie Cookson. I'm a teaching and learning consultant at Warwick Business School, which is part of the University of Warwick. My job is mostly to work with academic members of staff to look at ways that we can improve their teaching and learning, and particularly looking at how technology can enhance teaching and learning. So we've used a range of channels to promote Vevox internally within Warwick Business School. We have a written newsletter that we put some initial content on about the rollout so people knew it was happening. We've run a number of workshops now for staff initially around just what Vevox is and what it does, but that's now become much more around best practices and innovative use, and that's an ongoing process as well. That's something Vevox have been really helpful with. A couple of times I've checked in to ask them for examples or things that they would not recommend to do, and it's been really great to get their input and feedback on that side of things to put into our own training as we go forward. It was really useful to be able to conduct a pilot from the perspective of our staff, to be able to give some of our key voting systems users an opportunity to give it a try and test at an early outset, but also to do some checking and make sure that Vevox wouldn't interfere and complemented other systems that we used, and we were able to check that and iron things out at a very early stage and make sure that the implementation itself ran really smoothly. My tip for learning technologists looking to roll out Vevox would be talk to them lots. The Vevox team have got lots of knowledge and experience and are really, really helpful. So if you're unsure about what your communication strategy should be like, what sort of training you should be providing, do talk to them, because I found it really was a collaborative process making that implementation a success. I think my tip for Vevox is just to please keep doing what you're doing, and I think the thing that sets you apart from the rest of the market is the people, and it's the personal approach and touch, and you treat all of your customers as individuals and make them feel really special. So thank you to Vevox.